Hello everyone, my name is Bharat and in this tutorial we are going to look through to process data in Hive in a Hadoop platform. We are going to take two sets of data and process the data with a join query and try to run the same in the Hadoop platform. To do so, I have made use of this Hortonworks website which contains a set of instructions to use Hive. Let us start by downloading the data by clicking in this link. I have downloaded the data already, and here you can see a set of two files which contains the list of drivers and their timesheet. The drivers file contains a list of driver's name, driver's ID, social, and other details about the driver, and the timesheet file contains the list of hours he has logged and the miles he has covered. So let us start by importing this file into the Hadoop platform. To do so, let us create a directory in the file browser. I have now used the home, user, and Hive. Here, I'm going to create a new directory. Let us name it as drivers. I've created a new directory. After going inside the directory, I'm going to import the files which I have downloaded right now by clicking the upload and files. As you can see, I have imported both the files like drivers and timesheet.csv. So after importing the data inside the Hive, let us start running the queries to create a table as temporary drivers. Here I'm giving just one value and it's named as string. So let us run this temporary table. We can see that the table has been created successfully. After creating the table, let us import the downloaded data into the table by running this command of load data in path. We can see that the temporary drivers table has been created with its value. We can see here that the data has been added successfully after running the select query. All the details of the data has been updated successfully. Further, we can see that by browsing through the HDFS profile inside the drivers folder, we would not be able to find the drivers.csv as it has been consumed by the warehouse inside a folder called as temp.drivers. Here you can see the drivers.csv file has been used. Now let us create a table called drivers with all the attributes which is used to use in the joins. Let us run this query by creating a table. We can see that the table has been created successfully, and here by refreshing we can see a new table called as drivers. So let us import the data from temp.drivers to drivers folder. So this would be the query to overwrite in the table drivers where the data would be taken from temp.drivers folder. So let us run this query. In this I have used the regular expression extract which helps us to differentiate the driver ID name and social security number with the help of a comma. So let us run this query. So here you can see this query has been run successfully with a success message. Let us cross-check by giving a small select query. So by giving a select query, we can see that all the values have been updated successfully in the drivers table. Let us continue the same procedure for timesheet as well. So these would be the list of queries which would be used to run to create a temporary a timesheet table and insert all the values into it and then have an insert override on the timesheet table. These queries are pretty similar to that of what we have executed now with respect to the drivers table. I have already implemented all these queries into the Hive, and here you can see that we have completely four tables of drivers, temp timesheet, and timesheet with all its values present in it. If you scroll down, you can also see the query history of all the queries what I have implemented till now being run. So after creating tables and importing data into the tables, I have run a simple select query and using a group by function. Here you can see that the query has run successfully with an apt output. So let us go ahead and try to create a join query. Here I have written a join query which helps us to get a set of information from both the tables in a single file. So let us run this query. So here we can see the query has run successfully with a proper output, having the driver ID, name, total hours, and total miles. Here you can see that the driver ID and the names have been taken from the drivers table and the total hours and total miles has been taken from the timesheet table. I hope you understood the few insights about Hive and how to use these queries in an overview. Thank you for watching this video.